Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Do LED lights take a special dimmer switch? A standard dimmer switch cannot be used with an LED light, as you will never be able to dim the LED light either completely or not very well. LED lights need their own special electronic dimmer switch to have a fully functioning and dimming light. Can you use an incandescent dimmer on LED lights? A standard incandescent dimmer can be used to dim dimmable LED, CFL bulbs, however performance may vary. In some instances, it will work perfectly, and in others you may experience issues such as flickering, reduced dimming range and fluttering. Can I put a dimmer switch on any light? A dimmer switch can be installed anywhere that an existing on or off switch is in place. Replacing the current toggle switch with a dimmer switch will allow you to change the light's brightness, so long as you are using a light bulb that is compatible with the dimmer you have chosen. What type of dimmer switch is needed for LED lights? There are two types of dimmer switch available: leading edge and trailing edge dimmers. Some retrofit LED light bulbs and fittings have drivers that allow them to work with either type, but for a better chance of the dimmer operating correctly, choose a trailing edge dimmer.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.